Welcome to this video on finding library resources. To start your library research, use Omni. Omni, the library search interface, will help you find books, articles, videos, maps, primary sources, and all other library materials. Before we go any further, it's important to learn about facets. Facets are the multiple sides and angles a shape can have. All library resources, such as books, have facets too. When searching for resources, you need to consider the facets that are important to you. Important facet limits are content type, availability, peer-reviewed, and publication date. Now that we know about facets, we can begin. Need an easy way to start a research assignment? Scan the bibliographies in your readings. If your assignment is about the use of films in fascist Italy and Germany, check all relevant readings for additional sources. For example, Cinema and Fascism, Italian film. Great! Omni found 19 matches. Not all of them are the book though. Look for book on the record information. While you're on this page, check out the facets: availability, resource type, and especially subject. Fascism and Italy are subject headings. This information will be helpful in a minute. What if you don't have a reference list or bibliography? It's simple. Go to the advanced search screen in Omni and type in your search statement. Something like this would be great. Cinema or film or movie, and fascism or fascist or Hitler or Mussolini, and Italy or Germany. Notice that the default option, any field, was changed to subject. Subject makes the search more focused. If you like, you can keep the default. Also notice OR is in capitals. There's a star for truncation, and a third row was added by clicking on Add a New Line. There are about 450 results. If you wanted to, you could limit to books and online by using the facet limits on the left-hand side. The next step, review your list of results to find the most relevant books and articles. Are you finding the books are on topic, but the articles are not? It could be that the most subject-appropriate databases are not being searched by Omni. Omni searches many library databases, but it does not search them all. Databases not searched by Omni include Art and Architecture Source, Music Index, Historical Abstracts, MLA Bibliography, Anthropology Plus, Women's Studies International, SynHall, and SciFinder. Relevant databases are found through research guides. From the library homepage, click on Research Guides, History, European History, Finding Articles, and then finally, Historical Abstracts is our database. In Historical Abstracts, the same search strategy can be used. Limiting to English language is helpful in this case. 176 records are retrieved. Not all are available online, so look for HTML or PDF full text icons. This video is a quick guide to getting started with your research and using Omni. If you are stuck, have questions, or need some guidance, please check out all the ways to get help. The link is available on the main page of the library website. Good luck with your research.